What am I singing?
Okay, hey Danica, what's up? I know you're mad at me because you know the whole of me thing, so I thought I'd make you a video because I just love you.
Oh, we're singing Letting Go.
The Nicki Minaj part, obviously.
Yeah.
Hey yo, Sean, you Mr. Kingston. You say you have it, Louis it, and then some. Look how you're going on your eyes. You're pretty and you're nice. You're the most like wife. But you say I'll be up for you. You say I ain't like the other bitches who say
I ain't get a knife. No, you get enough in it. But it's
style, why so we? Ain't no words. Yeah, yo, I ain't got it. Boy, that's tiny and you fell it.
Oh shit. Yes, I kill him. You're deaf.
Delete this. Zai! Rastafari. Da-dee, da-dee, da-da-da-da-dee.
Okay.
You didn't know the words. Oh my god. You laugh too much.
Oh, okay, no, we're deleting this one. We're doing it again.
No,
we're doing it again.
We'll publish a video for you and then we'll make you a better one, okay?
Okay. Okay, rate this one. We're making a new one straight away.